cosine squared of A equals 1. And they gave me this to be 1/3. Oh, this is nice. This is missing. You guys will solve this equation. Cosine squared A is equal to, you're going to end up with 1 subtract 1/9, which is 8/9. Do a square root, think this, we're in quadrant 1 where everything's positive. So it's 2 radical 2 over what? 3. That goes here. That's cosine A, and we found it with Samantha's help. Now I'm missing sine B. Same thing, okay, let's do this. Now, I know what cosine B is, right here, 4/5. So guys, let's try to find this one. And use sine squared plus cosine squared. This is B this time. Cosine squared of B equals 1. Cosine is 4/5, so I put that in. Over here. Equals 1. Now, don't let me mess up on the arithmetic here. That's 16 over 25. Move it over. I think it's 9 over 25. You guys can check that math. Thank goodness. Nice perfect square root. What is it? 3/5. Get to put that here. And by formula now, the final answer is going to look like this. Think this, I got a common denominator, 15. It's all going to be over 15. Well, it looks strange, but here goes. We got 4 plus 6 radical 2. All over 15. Did you know basically we've done 16 weeks of work here in 2 hours? Yeah, right. We did the course. I should have called you in, guys, for 2 hours at the very beginning of the course and done all this to you, and then the other 15 weeks you would have been free. Isn't that nice? We're doing all the work right here. Now, Aiden, please tell me, is there one more like a summation?
Like the sigma?
The sigma.
Yeah, there's a sigma.
Okay, that's the last thing I really need to work. Here it goes. Okay, summation, sigma, and where does this thing start at the base?
K equals 1.
1, and at the top?
52.
52, oh wow.
And then
what's inside?
3K minus 5.
3K subtract 5. Okay guys, did you get this done? I know we're tired. I'm going to separate this first, which is allowed. You got 3K. And over here, you're allowed to write it as, you only have 5. You're allowed to do that. What else am I allowed to do? That 3 out front, or I can place that 3 out front on the first term, which helps. 52K. And guys, on the end, I'll come back to this. I can finish this one up right quickly if someone can recall the summation formula for a sum.
C times N.
N times C, C times N. You're going to find these two together. And 5 times 52, 260?
Yeah, 260.
I'll get that out of the way right now. Now, how am I going to calculate the next one, or the one in front? That requires another formula.
Yeah.
These are your summation formulas. Sarah, tell me what the summation formula was first.
N times N plus 1
N
all
plus
over
1.
2.
You gotta use that. And in this case, that's 52 times 53 all over 2. Now, I'm not going to do all the calculations for you guys. So she tells me, Professor, go ahead and find out what that is. I know it's a large number, maybe. We got 3 times that. Subtract 260. So I've done most of the work for you. The rest of that you just put in there and find it, do a calculation.
So you multiply all that by 3?
Yeah, exactly. You're going to find out what this mess is here. Exactly. And multiply that by 3 because we got 3 out front.
The answer is 1,118.
Whoa, the final answer.
Yeah.
So Samantha, give it to me again.
1,118.
1,108.
I don't know, I just used my calculator, so,
1,118,
yeah.
something like this?
Yeah, 52 times 53 divided by 2.
But you didn't multiply 52 times 53 by 3.
Oh, times 3. Times 3?
Yeah, come up by 3 times whatever this mess is.
Oh, I didn't put that in front. Oops.
Divided
Yeah.
by 2. It's
Sorry, my mistake.
4,000.
Whoa, here's another possibility, how much?
4,134.
34.
Yeah.
Minus
Are you
260.
gonna make us
Oh,
calculate?
then minus 260.
Yeah.
Minus 2. Oh, let me subtract. Minus 260 equals 3,874.
Whoa. 3,874.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Just to show you, go ahead and check your arithmetic and see if you get that. You can check that
You were gonna
arithmetic
give us something like
on
that?
your, no, not those big numbers, I can't give you those big numbers. Now, I can give you this, definitely see how this set up here. So guys, this one says, please know your summation formulas. There's also a summation formula for k squared, just in case you need it. Now, 80.
Yeah.
At the very bottom, I think I just mentioned, no, I don't think I have examples. Did you read your class what is at the bottom there?
No, maximizing area.
You have to maximize the area by using negative b over 2a.
Yeah, and then height of projectile.
And the height of a projectile, the highest height, and when it strikes the ground,
Throwing something off the building.
negative b over 2a. We did that in class.
And then,
The
what's the
difference
other one?
quotient.
finding the difference quotient.
And the difference quotient, and guys, that would be this.
F of x plus e.
You said you're gonna give that to us?
I will give that to you guys. And I'll ask you to look back, and somewhere in your notes, somewhere on a quiz, somewhere on an exam, that's called the difference quotient. You're going to do a calculation for me. Now, is that the last thing?
No.
What's the
And
last?
then triangles, finding missing parts. Sine over sines equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosines equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangents equal to opposite over adjacent.
Or you may have to use the
Law of sine.
law of sines, and I gave the law of sines.
Are those the same thing?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Law of sines is for an oblique, non-right triangle. So if the triangle does not have a right angle in it, you're going to turn to law of sines.
What about law of cosines?
There is one law of cosines I didn't give to you.
What was that equation for?
What's that now?
That equation was for application?
This is for, difference quotient.
Got
Remember?
Ooh, now guys, I know right now, see, if I were a student, I'd go, whoa, this is overwhelming. This is overwhelming. But I think basically we did from day one all the way through just recently in 2 hours. I'm glad you were with me.
How many pages did you say?
I think 6. I think it's 6 pages. And I got some extra credit.
Including that?
What's that?
Including the 6 pages is the extra credit?
I think the 6th page may have some extra credit at the bottom. Clark has already scored your papers.
But we're gonna be back.
So I'm gonna use those points and then my 4 points. I think mine's only 4 points also on the final. I think you're gonna have 8 extra credit points altogether to cover yourself.
How many points is